Alright, Killa will be...
It's good.
Okay, because it's healthy, but can you rate
It tastes like oatmeal.
Okay, did you like it? That's my question. Kiara, do you like that?
It's a, yeah. Look.
Okay,
It's a
so 1
9?
to 10. It's a 9. You're
Point.
not kidding.
No, it's a 9.5.
I thought you would just give me a 5.
No, it's a 9.
Okay, thank you for your
Not so
honest
honest
opinion about it.
opinion.
Then be honest. Then you tell me.
It is.
For my first time kong gumawa. Hindi siya matatawag na cupcake kasi ang soft. Tapos yung texture niya, puto talaga guys. Hindi lang ako gumamit ng steamer kasi wala akong steamer. At wala din akong, kumbaga, wala din akong moulder. So, ang ginamit ko guys, oven lang. Tapos yung cupcake pan, nilagyan ko ng liner. So, ayan guys, hindi mo talaga siya matatawag na cupcake guys. Kasi, ayan puto talaga siya guys. Ang texture niya is yung puto talaga sa atin. Ayan, see? Kailangan yung gumawa kahit wala kayong steamer para mas malalaman nyo talaga na totoo yung sinasabi ko guys. Ayan. Tapos ang lambot niya guys, ang sarap. Grabe, you have to try it. At napaka-healthy. So, I'm telling you guys, napaka-healthy nito para sa kids. Try nyo guys. Try nyo gawin para malaman yung totoo yung sinasabi ko.